Hi there, students. To have no truck with somebody, or to have no truck with something. Okay, this means to refuse to become involved with something because you think it's bad, you disapprove of it, or you refuse to deal with somebody or to have any relationship with somebody because you don't approve of them. You think they're a bad person. Okay, so you should have no truck with these people. Avoid dealing with them, avoid being associated with them. Look, if you want to be a professional journalist, have no truck with these gutter journalists. Don't deal with them, don't communicate them. Yeah. Okay, have no truck with them. Also, we use the phrase to have little truck. So, what he's saying has no truck for me. I'm not involved in it. Yeah, I'll have no truck with such nonsense. I'm not going to be involved with it. I refuse to be part of it. Okay, so yeah. He said that he would have no truck with such lies. Um, as an American, he had no truck with the British way of doing things. Yeah. As a Republican, he had no truck with the people who had democratic beliefs. Okay, so yeah, to have no truck, to hold no truck, to not be involved with. Yeah, we had a fight, and since then I have no truck with him anymore. Yeah, after the way he treated me, I will have no truck with him anymore. Yeah. Have no truck with those types of people. You're only going to get into trouble. Have no dealings with them. Steer clear of them. I wouldn't touch them with a 10-foot barge pole. Yeah, to have no truck with them. I strongly advise you to have no truck with drugs. Yeah, a right winger will have no truck with the political left. Okay, so to have no truck with something, to steer clear of it, to not like it, to not be involved with because you think it's a bad thing, you don't think it's a good thing at all. Okay, formality. I think that's an interesting one. I think probably I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think definitely for a semi-formal conversation, have no truck with him. Informally, steer clear of it. Yeah, don't touch it with a 10-foot barge pole. It's probably better. I think this phrase is a little bit more on the more formal side, or I think it sounds a bit posh and a bit literary as well. So use it in a posh informal conversation, a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing as well. And then as to origin, okay, the real question is the meaning of truck. Okay, truck talks about dealings. Have no dealings with. Yeah. So have no dealings with. This word truck actually comes from the Latin noun troco. Yeah, meaning to barter, to exchange. Yeah, and yeah, don't barter with them, don't exchange with them, and that's the idea. Yeah, I'm actually thinking of this French word as well, troquante, a place where you can buy and sell things. Okay, so have no truck with him. I think you could probably also just about use this in the positive. He has truck with him every day. It's possible, but it's much more common in the negative. Okay, so to have no truck with, have no dealings with them. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Have no truck with.